Hey, what's up? In this tutorial I want to answer a question that some people have, and the question is, can you pay with PayPal at SiteGround? And the answer to that question is yes, you can. Over here you can see an explanation on the SiteGround website, and it says, can I pay with PayPal? Yes, you can use PayPal to pay for your hosting services even though it's not listed on our order pages. Simply contact our sales department via the live chat button on top of the site in order to pay using PayPal. And it also says, if you are already a SiteGround client, log into your client area, go to the help menu. Under the contact us section, you can contact our billing support team. So, short answer is yes, you can pay with PayPal. And if you don't have a SiteGround account yet, then you just go to siteground.com, and if you want to purchase a hosting plan, then you can go to the get in touch option, and if you hover over it you can see sales chat, and there you have this button, the sales chat button. So if you click on it, then you can fill in the details, your name and your email, and then you can ask if you can pay with PayPal and they will handle it. So that's how you can do it. And if you already have an account, then you have to go to the client area as is mentioned over here, and then you can get in contact with the billing support team, and then you can pay with PayPal as well. So I hope everything is clear. Now you know everything about paying with PayPal at SiteGround. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that I will be uploading. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you back again in the next video.